Hey everybody, Dave Hamilton from Mac Geek Gab, and at CES, I got to meet with the folks at EcoFlow. They showed me that EcoFlow Delta Pro 3, this is essentially a gas generator replacement in a battery-powered unit. It can be recharged, of course, with regular AC or with their solar pack. This is a 4,000 watt and also 4,000 watt hour device. It has, one of the things I love about it is right on the front, you'll see it has a transfer switch box in the lower, or a connector in the lower right there, so that you can connect it. If you've had a gas generator, you can plug this in to the transfer switch that you already have on your house for your gas generator, and boom, you're good to go. It's about $3,300, and you can add batteries to it. And like I said, you can also add their solar panels to it. You can learn more at ecoflow.com, and I will absolutely put a link here in the description. Speaking of the stuff below me here, make sure to subscribe, wherever that is. And make sure to subscribe to MacGeekGab.com so you can hear us talk about this when we actually get our hands on it. It's a great thing, right? I mean, it's got, all those AC outlets. It's got USB-A, USB-C on there, that transfer switch box. It's got plenty of power to really power the essentials of our homes. And it's not running a gasoline motor the whole time. In fact, if you have your old gasoline generator that you're using, what you do is instead of plugging that into your house, you plug this thing, the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3, into your house, and then you plug the gas generator into that, charge it when you need it, and then turn it off, and it can be quiet. And that way you're not, you don't need to have a window open or a door open, like the gasoline generator's got to be outside. So check that all out. And thank you so much to our coverage sponsors here at CES for making it possible for us to be out here doing this. Pete and I out here, Sadie back publishing all these videos. Couldn't do it without our coverage sponsors. That is CCC Backup, the Omni Group, PIA VPN, Roborock, and Eero. Thank you so much to all of them for for just supporting us and making this happen, because without you, we couldn't do this. And without you, there would be no reason to do this. So thank you for listening and watching, and subscribe to the show. We'll see you there.